everyone, it's Nancy and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how I get my everyday effortless curls. It's been a highly requested video, so I can't wait to share this with you guys. It's super simple and easy. It takes me less than 10 minutes to do and I can't wait to share with you guys. So if you want to get some effortless curls of your own, then keep watching. Alrighty, so start off by splitting your hair in half. I'm just using a hair tie. It does not have to be perfect whatsoever. So from there, we're going to be working with the bottom portion of our hair. I'm just going to split it in half and take around like a 2-inch to 2.5-inch section of my hair and curl it away from my face. The curling iron I'm using today is the Hot Tools curling iron, and it is their 1.25-inch barrel. I love this curling iron. I've been using it for years, and so as you can see, I'm curling every strand away from my face, holding the barrel up, so vertically. I know sometimes when you hold it a different way, it'll give you a different curl, but I just find that this gives me like really effortless waves. And now we're moving on to the other side, and again we are curling it away from the face. And you don't have to do like perfect sections, I just kind of grab and go, but usually they kind of equate to like 2-inch sections. Working on the last piece of hair that's framing our face. I usually curl this a little tighter, and as you can see, I'm holding it more horizontally compared to the other curls we were doing before. I find that it gives me a really nice shape with my hair. And now we're moving on to the other side and repeating the same process. Again, we are curling away from the face, and again, it does not have to be perfect whatsoever. All the curls will come together at the end. For the pieces of hair that are closer to the front of my face, I tend to hold these a little bit longer because I want the curls to be a little bit more defined. So feel free to hold it and make it a little tighter when you're curling the front of your hair. So now I am done curling all of my hair, and as you can see, the curls came out great. I left the ends a little bit looser, which is the look we're going for. And now grab your trusty hairbrush, and we're just going to brush out the curls. And I'm just going to give it a good brush all the way around to make sure that the curls are loosened. Now we're going to go in with my favorite hairspray. This is by L'Oreal. It's their elnet satin hairspray, and just give it a good mist all over. I kind of pick up my hair, spray, and then let my hair fall back down just so it holds its shape. And I love this hairspray because it does not make your hair crunchy whatsoever. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy hair tutorial. I absolutely love wearing my hair in curls because it makes me feel more alive and more awake, and I could really push my hair to like the 2 to 3 day mark without washing it, which is awesome. Let me know in the comments down below if you don't wash your hair every day and you like to push it to the limit. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this and happy lifestyle videos. I post a new video every single week, so I'm so happy that you guys are here. So let me know if you guys end up recreating these curls. I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my social handles down below. I'd love to see it. I'm sure it'll look amazing on you guys. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day.